I'm gonna show you how to become a millionaire. All you need is to have one thing that you can get $10 for. I don't care if it's cutting hair, cutting grass, painting, babysitting. Just get somebody to give you $10. All I want you to do is do it 10 more times. That's all. You'll have $100. I want you to do it 10 more times. You're gonna have $1,000. What I want you to do is do it 10 more times. You'll now have $10,000. Do it 10 more times. Just 10, whatever you did to make the 10,000, do it 10 more times. You're gonna have $100,000. Here's the trick of tricks. Once you make $100,000, you're gonna have to hire a few people. Same thing you did to make the 100,000. I just want you to do it 10 more times. Congratulations. You are a millionaire.